Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set privacy password for app lock in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, go to settings of your phone here. Then go to security, and here select privacy and app encryption, and here you can type your privacy password to set. That is newly you can assign privacy password, otherwise click on password options. Here also you can set a pattern for privacy password, so this should be different from what you use for screen password, that is screen lock password. For screen lock I am using this password, so now I am going to use different one, so I am going to use this one. Okay, this is new privacy password, and again I draw the same password to verify, that is same pattern to verify. Keep remembering your privacy password, and but for security purpose some questions will be asked, so you have to answer to those questions. What was the name of your elementary school? Click on the question here, and there are a lot of questions available. You can select any question to keep remember your password, as well as remember the answer to the questions, so that you can easily recover your password in case you forget your password. Okay, so give the best question, so that you should not forget those answer to the questions. Okay, so here there are a lot of questions like what was the name of your favorite book when you were a child? What was the name of your first boss? What was the name of your first bet? What was the then lot of options available. What is the name of your favorite sauce or team? So I select it, and here I give Majestic Tigers. Then next question, you have to choose two questions. What was the name of your childhood best friend? Okay, click on the question, and if it is okay, there should be some best friend while everyone in childhood. Okay, so here I give the name Vanita, and click on done. Yes, now I have given answers to the questions, but I should remember the answers for those questions. Okay, now click on app encryption, and here select the apps which are to be hidden. Okay, that is locked. Okay, then I choose here Amazon. As per your wish, you can choose Chrome, Contacts, Easy Share, Facebook, Gmail, GPay, etc. Okay, so just to turn on the button against the particular app which is to be encrypted, that is locked. Okay, then go to home screen. Now lock your phone, and now open the locked app. Okay, so here I open Google Chrome or Gmail. So Gmail is encrypted, and it is asking for privacy password, so I kept Gmail as a privacy app. Okay, so you have to here enter your privacy password. Unless knowing the privacy password, no one can access it. Okay, so here what is privacy password for me? This is privacy password for me. Okay, so when I give it, it is asking because I am giving it first time, so it is asking me to enable fingerprint as well as facial authentication, so that when you are holding your phone with your face, then it will be automatically unlocked. Okay, Also you can use with your fingerprint. Okay, so turn on it. So to turn on these settings, finally you go to confirm with your current screen lock pattern, give it, and yes, Gmail is locked, and now it is unlocked. Now open another app. Okay, another locked app. So I am going to open Facebook. Where is Facebook? I am going to open Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Okay, Google Chrome is also asking privacy password. Okay, Chrome is encrypted. Okay, but my fingerprint, with my fingerprint I can unlock. Okay, yes, with my face data also I can unlock. See here, Chrome is encrypted, but with my face. With my face data I can unlock. Yes, unlocked. Okay, so in this way you can easily set privacy for password for locking apps in your phone. Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.